Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Connex security camera video. My name is Caleb Janssens, and today we're going to be talking about the smart Wi-Fi 1080p PTZ camera. This security camera has the ability to film in full HD, that is 1080p, and not only can we see a live view via the Connex Connect app, which we'll break down later in this video, but you're also able to record all of your security footage onto a 128 gigabyte SD card. If you want to talk about security, this is a great camera because it also has an inbuilt night vision mode, which means throughout the day and the night, you're going to be giving your family the security they deserve. Moving on with the theme of security and your family, we have motion detection. Every time the cameras detect movement, you'll be sent a notification through the Connex Connect app straight to your phone. I've spoken about the Connex Connect app quite a bit already in this video, and what is so great about that is it is available both on iOS devices as well as Android devices. So if you are an Apple lover or a lover of all things Android, you are able to get the Connex Connect app on your phone. That's enough about me talking about the features of this camera. Let's take a look at the camera itself.
In the box, we received the camera itself, as well as a charging cable and some additional screws and other peripherals to assist in the installation of your camera.
Connecting to the Connex app is incredibly simple and follows 3 easy steps.
1. Download the app. 2. Plug in your camera. 3. Connect the camera to your app. To download the app, simply head over to your app store and download the Connex Connect app. Once the app is downloaded, plug in your camera to a power source.
Connecting the Connex app to your device is designed to be as easy as possible.
Open the Connex Connect app and select Add Device. Select Smart Tech cameras and follow the on-screen prompts. First, reset your device. Select a Wi-Fi network and then use the security camera to scan the QR code. The app will connect the camera to the smart device. The lights will help you understand the steps you need to follow. Solid red means that the camera is booting up. Flashing red means the camera is ready to pair. Flashing blue means the camera is pairing to the app. And solid blue means that the camera is connecting to the cloud and will soon be ready to launch.
And there you have a working security camera. Thank you so much for watching this video, and remember, stay safe with Connex.